I think they want control over SpaceX. And the best way to take control over SpaceX is take control over Elon Musk. We think of government and business as two separate things. That is not the way they think. What's been baked in is their sales in China. They're the number one selling electric vehicle in China. And so all you have to do is basically start to put pressure, and now you've got control.
You just tweeted about a favorite person on the show, Elon. Elon is a platform entrepreneur, PayPal co-founder. Guy understands platforms really, really well, and he's a genius in many other ways. But you say the CCP wants control of Elon Musk. They want SpaceX and Starlink to be under their control. Do you think that Starlink could pierce the Great Firewall veil? Someone's got to be thinking about that, right?
I think the Chinese Communist Party worries about that, and I think this was fun to watch, because you watch the factory being put in, the Tesla factory being put into China, and you understand the pattern of behavior. They're very conciliatory. Tesla owns their factory in China. Look, when I was there, this was back in 2002 to 2004 when I lived in China. I talked to this one guy, was from a company from Germany. They were making industrial voltmeters, and they had built a factory in Shanghai, and everything was going smooth, no problems. Then the Chinese Communist Party comes knocking on the door and says, "Hey, remember those fuses you wanted to import for your voltmeters? You have to use Chinese fuses now. You can't use those fuses." And so the guy that was running the factory basically had to go to Hong Kong and have somebody smuggle in the German fuses that they needed in order to keep this factory going, because of course you can't put bad fuses in an industrial voltmeter because somebody could electrocute themselves. So they couldn't have that. Well, what he had set up, and what the Chinese knew what he was going to do, they knew he was going to go in and basically, smuggle these fuses in. Now they got you, right? And now they can swoop in and take your factory and take your technology, which is in Tesla's thing. I think it's actually something different. I think they want control over SpaceX. And the best way to take control over SpaceX is take control over Elon Musk. Now, the stock price for Tesla has been what's been baked in is their sales in China. They're the number one selling electric vehicle in China, and so all you have to do is basically start to put pressure on the fact that they can continue to be there as a company, and now you've got control of that overall enterprise. And so they're thinking three-dimensional chess. We think of government and business as two separate things. That is not the way they think. They think everything's interrelated. How do I get access? SpaceX does a lot of government business. Starlink, could be a challenge for the Chinese Communist Party. Hey, how do we jam 4,000 satellites? Maybe we don't jam any satellites at all. That's what the United States would do. We'd come up with this $150 billion, the DoD program to design this, spectacular, technologically, complex system to block that's coming from these Starlink satellites. And like, no, we'll go get control of Elon Musk and make sure that he's doing the things that we want him to do. This is the way that they think.
Hi, I'm Alex. Thanks for watching the show. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, but even better, make sure to follow us on Odyssey, follow us on Rumble, and text us 203-646-5159. Text the word Monopoly. You'll be subscribed. You'll get updates about when we're going live, our latest videos, and we'll send you even a little goodie bag. And in the event that we all get banned from big tech, we'll still be connected.